Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back today to share with you some really inexpensive things that I have found in Hobby Lobby and in Joann's. So here we go. So some of you guys know that, and I haven't officially, well, by the time this goes up it will be officially announced. Our oldest is getting married, and it is a destination wedding in the United States, but it's a destination wedding. And so I was trying to think of something I could do to help her, you know, in the organization of it all. And she's a very bright, capable young woman who can do all of it without me even having to say hello. But you know, she's my daughter, and we enjoy doing some things together. So I wanted to make things easier for her. So see, these are some of the things I found. So at Joann's, this is a Heidi Swap album, and this was, I think I paid like maybe, I don't know, $7 or $8, but it's an undated mini planner. And at first I bought this for her, and I may give this to her. I'm still deliberating. If not, I'm going to give it to my youngest, so for her next school year. And because it's, you know, undated, we can go in. I was going to use the Heidi Swap stickers, which I have some of those, but I really thought these were a lot easier. They're not as, you know, not as small to work with. And so these are just the Paper Studio stickabilities. And I got the gold foil, and I got the plain black. So, because originally I thought I'd give this one to my oldest daughter, and then this one I would use to kind of keep up my end of it, but we'll see. I'm not really sure yet. And then I also picked up at Hobby Lobby the Paper Studios, the months of the year. So, and I really liked this one because it had color and it was kind of decorated, and you know, I could keep it really simple, or we could just have fun. And so I thought, well, let's have some fun. So, in this one, you've got, it does say January, so I may not even use those, but you do have where you need to put down the monthly dates, and then, of course, you can handwrite them in on the actual, you know, day or week. So, anyways, I just thought this was a really neat, cute, pretty little planner, and it was something little she could pop in her bag. Then I found this one. It was originally $34.99 for $17.97, and it was clearanced, and I guess somebody had opened it, and so they tried to tape it back up. I just cut the tape before I started the video and haven't pulled it out, so I'm really anxious to see, because this one is just gorgeous. I love this one. So it is pink, it's got roses, and that's what her wedding is really going to be. Pink and roses, and green are the colors. So anyways, I love this. It's Make It Happen. It is a personal size planner, looks like here, and then it's got all this, which I'll take care of that afterwards. So it kind of gives the, you know, the same daily, or no, this is at a week. Oh, that's good. That's a week at a glance, which she might do better with that. I'm not sure. And then there's just places to write, a to-do list. Yeah, I think this may be the one that I need to give to her. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do. So I'll go back in here, put in the dates, and this will be great because I can literally bump July to the front, and then it'll work all the way through. So anyway, so I just wanted to share that with you. So when you're at Joann's, Michael's, or Hobby Lobby, always look in their clearance to see what they have that they're getting rid of, because this is an out-of-date planner. I love this one. It's so nice. But and then I had bought one other one that was the gold striped, and that I already put up. But you know, long story short, these are the nicest planners, and you're paying half price, you know, half price for them. So that's a good deal. Another thing I picked up for her was, well, this is for me. This is my journal that I'm going to write in it to her, or for me. I'm not really sure yet. And I love this. It has my favorite, part of my favorite Bible verse: trust the Lord with all your heart, Proverbs 3:5. And I love the colors, so there's that. And then I saw this, and this was by Kelly Creates. I got this at, I think I got this at Michael's. Pretty sure I did. Anyways, it's really nice. It is a peace journal, and regularly $14.99. I got it for $3.99. It's by American Crafts, and so let me see. I looked at the one that was open in the store, and I just thought this was really neat. So, yeah, here we go. So, this is Listen to Your Heart. So, it is a place where you come and you're able to write. You can decorate, you can draw, you can do whatever floats your boat. And so, you can pull your papers out, you can work on them, you can take your time, like it says there. There's your month. And so, anyways, I just thought it was really, really nice. And it talks about, when you create, dream, and plan, and then there's February, and love, write, and reflect. So I really just thought this was a really interesting calendar. No, maybe I should get this one to her. How's that for confusion? So anyways, actually this is not her style. She does not like to write. She does not like to journal. So anyways, I initially looked at it because of what we've gone through this last year, and as many of you know, it's been a hectic couple 3 years. I really go back like 4 or 5, but anyways, so I really like this. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this yet, but it was just an option that I found. So again, here's another one that you can use as a planner. You can use it as a journal. You can use it as an art journal, and that would be fun. That would be really fun. So, all right, so here's that one, and I'll take that off afterwards. And that's that. I just wanted to show you guys that there are options out there. I've said many times over, even in your personal planning, you don't have to have a planner. You could use a composition notebook or a spiral notebook, and you know, just make it your own and let it be something that helps you be organized. But if you're looking for a planner and you're saying, I just can't afford it, then go to the back in the clearance section. Joann's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby. Go look and see what you can find, because there are things out there that if you want an official planner, you can do that. And you know, you have to put your number stickers in yourself, but that's okay. It just makes it a bit more fun to do that. So, alright guys, well, most importantly, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. And then finally, if you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you be a part of us. Hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell right next to it. It'll let you know when new videos are up. And I just pray that your day was blessed, creative, and lovely. And I look so forward to talking to y'all again. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.